eyes and I can see your life together. Standing by you and I think I want to forever. And after all has come and gone through all the years, and you never looked so beautiful. If love is going where we go to have it all forever, let's start our life together. Let's go on in our love. Write the story that's only for us. All concerned.
Terima nikahnya dan kawinnya Tri Oktavia Wulandari binti Mukroman dengan mas kawin yang tersuruh.
So much more. Standing